Here in Pakistan, workers are cutting crimson-colored stones with specialized machinery. While these might look like premium construction materials, they're actually Himalayan rock salt, a unique mineral salt mine from Punjab province in eastern Pakistan. This striking pink salt formed over 250 million years ago, when the Himalayan region was submerged under ancient oceans. As tectonic shifts raised the landmass, trapped seawater evaporated and crystallized under intense pressure, creating massive salt deposits buried 2,000 feet underground. In traditional mining operations, workers hand-chisel salt blocks from mountain tunnels before transporting them to the surface. Some of this mineral-rich salt gets ground into fine crystals for culinary use, landing in kitchens worldwide as a gourmet seasoning. The rest gets transformed into decorative lamps, carved sculptures, and therapeutic spa products. From seasoning steaks to decorating living rooms, this geological marvel bridges ancient history and modern lifestyles.